my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna make a beautiful flower arrangement, and this is a Amaryllis, which is like a purple colorish, beautiful color. This is from my garden. I couldn't wait to open it up completely, but it's so beautiful that I decided to make little arrangement over here. So I picked up some branches, which I have a tree, which is a Jujube tree, and I would love to show you when they dry. They will, some of the fruit, it dries and it stays on it, and sometimes it falls, and when I saw it, I felt like they go beautiful together. So I decided to make a little flower arrangement. We have to do little decorations over here. So this is from Jujube Tree, and the fruits are Jujube. They are kind of dried up. The season is gone. Let's take this first out from the plates so we don't have to break the vase. We can cut some a little bit because it's pretty hard. We can just crack a little bit. With the knife you can do it. It will be fine. Alright, so I put this two things. I came this side because the light was hitting to my face. Here's my beautiful Amarela flower. I really kind of rushed it to pick it up. Still it's not open. It's opening, so but I want to use it. And before I forget, I want to do beautiful arrangement for you. So this will go, let's see. We have to be careful that the Jujube tree branch, it has a lot of thorn on it. So you have to be really careful when you pick them up. I think this is good. Now what I want to say that I picked up a lot of leaves and I cut them the bottom to put them in the pick that we should buy it so we can stand on it. But I felt like the leaves, it's too soft to hold it strong. So what did I do? I picked up some branches from the tree, let's say this kind of branches. And what I did is I cut them little pieces like this, and I put them to the leaf over here that you see when you pick them up new. You just put it like this, and we have a special for flowers to tie them to make them nice and secure. So when we put the leaves into the flower pot for arrangement, you can stick the branch into the pick. So now it's good to have a pick all around. Mine is a half a moon that you see here, which I should buy a bigger one, but I'm gonna just do arrangement now, and I wanna show you that this is the way you will do it. The pick, it's the wood, it's gonna stick and it's gonna stand very nicely the way you wanna put it. So I already prepared over here a few leaves. Here it is, you can see a little stick. So the flower, the leaves, it will stay very, very nice. So as usual, we will put the big ones, the back. You cut a piece of ribbon. When you put this, put at the edges, so we want the flower, the leaf to be into the water. We don't want it to die very soon, as they will last pretty long time. This kind of leaves, they will stay pretty good for you. So you just twist it. It has like a little glue. You can stretch it. It will hold it nicely. You can push it in, and that's the way it will hold. This is looks like, this is a moringa branch that I cut it because I decided to decorate with the moringa fruits. So I'm using it, the branch. So anyway, this is the way you will do it. You decorate the way you want it, but look at it that it will look tasty, the flower. Look already how beautiful it looks. And then we will add some more around here. Just push it very hard in. Now I will add maybe a couple of this way. just to cover the front. And then we can always add a little bit fern. Now I have some of the moringa fruits. We can always decorate with any kind of plants. What we will do, we just cut the tip because they are sharp both sides. So we will cut it, and I would love to give a little decoration with this. Let's see. We're gonna put it from inside. Like this. There you go. We'll have another one here. We will put one around here from the top. Just be creative. We have to cheat a little bit to open the flowers like this because we want to see the beauty. And let's cut one more fruits. This one is broken. These are really beautiful. Like I showed you even on my one of the videos, that how you can prepare them to eat these plants. It's very healthy, antioxidant. It's good for people who has cancer before they even have a cancer. It's prevent for you to have a cancer. And this is, they feed in India, in Africa, for malnutrition children. It has a lot of nutrients in it. So this is a beautiful, I think, flower arrangement. You can add a couple more leaves. Let's tie this up. Let's cut from the beginning a little bit just to open it, to loosen it up. There you go. We'll cut a little piece of ribbon. Remember, this is a flower ribbons. It's not just regular ribbon. We will tie them up like this. We keep the ends but closer to the leaf, because when we put in a flower, we want the leaves to drink water. We don't want it to dry. Here we go. Now, I think this will be plenty good enough. Only thing is, because we don't want to leave empty the bottom, I think I have couple fern over here. There you go. Maybe I will just like keep this like this, so we can keep the roots covered. And I think it will look beautiful like this. Let's leave this, and we will roll this, and it can go in, or you can leave it out. And here it is, beautiful flower arrangement for you. Well, I didn't want to miss my beautiful flower while it came. I wanted to do a little decoration, and this is a Amaryllis. It's with purple, violet color, and this is pretty to enjoy in your house or take it to any friends that you like. It's cheaper, it's nicer, it's beautiful, and it's original. You will enjoy it. Well, thank you very much. I have a lot of videos interesting on my channel. Please go on playlist, and you will see different kind of flower arrangement, needle laces, painting, art and crafts, and a lot of fun. Well, thank you again for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.